Welcome back. You're tuned into Bazaar Morning Call. Well, as promised, let's get in Sid Khemka, Head Retail Research at Motilal Oswal Financial Services, who joins us on the show. Hi, Sid. Happy Friday, and hoping it's going to be a fairly okay trading session, and then we get off to the weekend. Let's discuss a few stocks. Ambuja Cements. The street is going to be looking forward to this large trade that will take place, where the promoter entity, according to sources, is likely to sell 2.8% stake. What's your view on this? Some part of the street is a little bit cautious. They converted shares at around 420 rupees, and now they're looking to sell some shares. But the other part of the street says, well, that's par for the course because they need to deleverage the parent. Your take?
Yeah, good morning, Nigel. Happy Friday to you as well. So I think, yes, as part of the ongoing process where we have seen a lot of managements coming out and kind of reducing their stake, taking in benefit of the bull market that we are currently on, and definitely helping the parentage to deleverage. So overall, if you look at Ambuja from a pure numbers perspective, Q1 was marginally weak. But what we like about Ambuja is that there is a continuous focus on reducing costs to increasing the green power share, logistics optimization, lead distance reduction. And overall, if you look at that, should lead to improvement in profitability. Also, we like the value accretive acquisitions that they have done and the overall ambitious organic plus inorganic expansion plans. So we have a positive view on Ambuja with a buy rating and a target price of 800. We believe any fall in this stock because of the block deals, 5% discount is what the block is at. If the stock falls to that level, it would be a good entry opportunity for investors to get into a cement company which is preparing for the long haul.
Siddharth, hi, morning. What about Kalyan Jewellers? Now, there was a lot of skepticism, right? That even though many things are going right for Kalyan Jewellers, people were watching the stock price, the valuations and saying, hey, has it gone up too much? It's up 400% in the last 15 months. But now that the promoters have come out and purchased stake, about a 2.5% stake at these high valuations after the run-up, it's reinforced confidence in the mind of investors. Would you go out there and buy Kalyan Jewellers?
Yeah, Rima, good morning. So I think it's the same case that we were seeing a repeat of what Titan did for past so many years. A company with a very strong growth trajectory definitely commands a premium valuation. And now with the promoters willing to buy at these levels, this is reverse of what we have seen across the street where promoters are reducing stake and taking the benefit of the bull market. So definitely gives a shot in the arm for Kalyan Jewellers. What we are expecting is a steady, if you look at in terms of earnings growth, 45% earnings growth for this year and another 35% growth for next year. A very strong growth, far outperforming the market leader Titan. So we also see that it is one of the larger retail chains in India, and the gradual shift towards nationalized players, organized players in jewelry, that trend continues, and Kalyan is a key beneficiary of that. It has a network of 217 stores across, and with that kind of growth and foreign and the promoter buying in, we definitely have a positive view there. Buy rating with a target price of 650.
650 on Kalyan Jewellers. Okay, Siddharth, got that. Hi, morning. Since we're talking consumer, let's talk about the other hot consumer stocks. Nykaa as well as Zomato. There's so much going on. I mean, Nykaa, maybe we'll see a block trade today, so some more supply in the market. Zomato, we all know the story. Now they'll be in the ticketing business. Your thoughts and, whether you still see upside on the stocks from where we are?
Yeah, absolutely. So I think Nykaa came out with good numbers, Q1 numbers, and after that, there was some of the interest in the stock came back. We are seeing that across some of these new age, you can say, the e-commerce companies, with improvement in profitability, there has been a lot of interest. Our pick in that space has been Zomato, continues to do very well in the core food delivery business, very strong growth in the quick commerce business. And now with this acquisition, we believe that it is only going to solidify its overall offerings of a lifestyle kind of a offering where you have food, you have quick commerce, and now you can also offer the entertainment, the going out, the likes of. So it will be a competition to Book My Show, and we believe this is a good acquisition. And the acquisition will be completed by Q2 of the current financial year. So overall, while the valuation might be a bit stressed, but we continue to be positive on Zomato. We have a target price of 300 on there and a buy rating.
Yeah, all right. Very quickly, Sid, before we let you go, I was reading a Jefferies note, and they're talking about Ola in the two-wheeler EV space. They seem to have lost a little bit of market share. What's your view on this? The stock is no longer the 70, 75 rupees that we thought it would be at. It's at around 130 plus. Your view, very quickly.
Yeah, Nigel. So I think the street is definitely excited about the two-wheeler EV space. The penetration is good, and the expectation that this will be one segment where the EV penetration will be much faster. And rightly so, there are others who are the old war horses of the two-wheeler companies have got in with the likes of Hero, with its Vida, Bajaj Auto, TVS Motors, they're all getting into the space. So I think the space will get even hotter competition going forward. What we like within the space right now is TVS Motors, which has gained a significant share in the two-wheeler space, and we believe that could continue to do well for TVS Motors among the older ones between the Hero, Bajaj, and TVS. We believe TVS has gained a significant share, and that could drive growth for the overall company.
Okay, all right. Good to have you on, Siddharth. Thanks very much for joining in. You have a good day and then a good weekend.